Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sarkar Jala ka bala syong ya ka jinyalang ka bakerki bat katanat District Council Affairs ha ka arpu artarik unai wing arajar khat khandai kala pa da ka jing ai jingmut syaulat ka Jala bo un penjari no da ka jing sensyar administrator ha Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council na ka benta nriu banai kanti hadien baka kenrum kenram kalami na ka jing yadon markat jo ki MDC na ka liang sensyar ban na ka liang persya ha ka singi yatun jo bor ka balalong ha ka arpu tarik unai wing arajar khat khandai Hagajing ekran bat usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston Tensong ulayatu baka Sarkar kala dat pa ya kane gajing ai jing mut syaulat ka Jala baun ai jing menjur halor kane gajing penjari ya gajing sensyar administrator ha KHADC ka Sarkar kala shim ya kane garai hadian baka kenhon jongi MDC ka United Democratic Alliance kila mudui persya ya u chairman jonga yeng dorbar ka District Council ubak pensngain NCM halor gajing penkeng ya ka AD rules Hakabai David kajing Syak Liang jong chairman ka Yeng Dorbar ha District Council uba pensngai NCM uba long UMDC ka NPP ya ka kenhon bala lam khmat da ka seng Congress na ka liang uba Preston ulayatu ba ka party NPP kan sa penshitam yu bad ya ki arngut ki MDC ka ta uba Alvin Karim Saukme bad uba Mitchell Wankar katkum ki kendon jogariti trekam joga party
de na ka liang jogini ka bagi peni kelong ka ya ka instability de wat ngaru mos ngawilade kani ka instability kan konflik lada menta piyo mar khatsa nomar ka house menta don ta arpunai tan arpunai de lada usimti makana ka wepat ka executive committee lan UCM subu ka don ki financial bill amti pa kan ulti bikin pas lada menta kasawut detai again you'll have problem de kajing yo i jonga kolong ba lara kolong kumni kambha piong ka Khasils piong ka Jaintia lani piong ka kalong lara kolong ha dengan ti ka itu ba kan don bet ka instability ka ba ha kan ko por la ban hap lani la ban wan biang na ka wepat kumta kamut kini perkhat ya kajing ya berskam suki kini perkhat ya ka roi ka pa na ta kajing bet biang jong ka Khasils discussion dikata kadi ka ba ngia keren dan let us see kumong opinion on kumno ka elor kata dia kata kadai ka opinion ka bangang ni bahang siya kampahaman in fact there is no option because see that's what even from the government side we have to see the ground reality what's happening if there are only 14 in the house you tell me who will ultimately be able to run the show okay it's so difficult. If you have at least, maybe 15, 16, then it is a clear mandate. But as I said to you, now the situation is so peculiar, where you have tie, 14 from here, 14 from here. So it's so dangerous, I'm telling you, to anybody. Okay, to anybody. It's not that I wanted to make sure that UDA continue. But I'm talking about the issue of instability. Be it to that new alliance where they just formed, or be it to the old alliance formed. But I'm telling you, our concern from the government side is the instability in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Then appropriate recommendation made to the Honorable Governor. So let us see. Ultimately, the Honorable Governor has to decide. Or let us go back to the role of the Speaker. Well, the rule allows. It allows. Clearly it says yes, it is allowed. But are you happy as a public to see that 14 or 15? And then who has to say? Either Speaker or Chairman. Are you satisfied that being a public? I'm asking this question. Being a public, you tell me, do you think I will be happy with that? When they have financial bill, what are they going to do? Who has to pass that? Means Speaker has to be around, because Speaker and Chairman, they are all the same. They are the custodian of the House. So, well, you said they are in majority. Whereas myself, I said, my interpretation is they are 50-50. It should not happen this way. I see, be it in the assembly, be it in the council, it should not be like this. I don't support either side. I am concerned about the stability of both sides, be it the new alliance or be it the old alliance. Anybody who does wrong, I'm telling you, for the interest of the state, we will correct it. This needs to be corrected. Okay? So that's why our stand is very clear. Our stand is very clear. It is not that because of our MDC, NPP or MDC, PDF or MDC, independent, whatever. Okay? It's that is not this, that is secondary. But I'm talking about, I'm really concerned about the stability in the Khasil Autonomous Council. Because if this continue in Khasil Council, it may happen also in Garo Hills. It may happen again in Jaintia Hills. You see, so government, we cannot be only a mere spectator on this issue. Because ultimately who suffer? Public will suffer. People of the state will suffer.
Hagabay day berkani na kaliang ki khat sangut ki MDC ki badon hapok ka Shatri jongka United Democratic Alliance hagani ka ju hikasngi kilala ia kendu yo sembut menteri rangba ka Jelau ba Preston Tensong ban mudui persya yo chairman jongka Yeng Dorbar ka District Council ba pensengan NCM halor ke jing penken jong u ya ka AD rules.
Konsan kilo kini artli kita, koi kita kolong ba hakatu ka arpotorik kalau don kecingnya buat KBD berkandung confidence motion. Hakapala yo khatsafat. Lai ingin don khatsafat. Semeneru ngidon khatsafat saw. Dak ba penting na begitu kiba don hakata ke kenhun kiba
nagatai do khatsaw.
Persya. Kiru kidon khatsaw mana?
Kiru kidon khatsaw.
Dek mana hakaturu khatsafat saw. Meneru kidon khatsaw. Kalau lengok kalau bah haba kila don khatsaw, kam sim don katai kemak ke drone, bayi lomar kumju. Kedan jimut you Sherman boleh tep sa siwut. Dan jimut you, dai ban tep juga buat mana? Ndai ka penbau Sherman la penken juga rule. Dan ke rule ke ba ha ka tu ke mana? There was no tie today. Habam dan ke jinga drone katai, why did he cast his wood below 15? Kalau baki kita khatsau kumbalong ka arpotorik. As it was on the 14, mener kita 14. There will be instability now onwards. Kandon ke instability always apo ka house. Kinumla materika. Tengi wan sene tang wan report. Kejing wan tungi sene banya thu betang ke sisa. Aka ig baca arpotorik berke ig baca mana. Tangata don eru. Isu penting government, government kan lega pemana. The status jungu kalau reduce, so member. Is he not a chairman till now? Kaya kita akan jumpa. Hapu udang day chairman, kumno kaseta. Chairman he has ukondok mu. Kumno lawan kelau ordinary member of the house. The role of chairman, kalau very partisan, you have seen, very biased. Nado ko tu singar potrik. Ulah circumvent yaki rules kat kum kamon jungu. We interpret kat bumon yaki rules. Sipang da kumni, sipang da kumtai. Te kataru ka digar kumno Sherman ubri jungi ya ukula no yang kanong rim jungu kataru ka dikawai ka bagi wanya tu kataru ka wanya tu kayak gini but nangta habudai Sherman mener tang mener beli you kejuk biang u interpret u circumvent kat kum kamon jungu habudai Sherman kumno le tabu